Hey everyone, welcome to our YouTube tutorial. So let's draw Sizuka today. When you like the video, please like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified every time we post a new video. Enjoy watching! You can also share your favorite cartoon character that you want us to draw for you in the comment box below. Do like the video and subscribe our channel to get more such videos, and please share it with kids who really enjoy watching drawings. Thanks for watching.